Tomatoes are a widely used and cherished ingredient in cuisines around the world. They are known for their versatile culinary applications, health benefits, and distinctive flavor. Let's explore the global popularity of tomatoes, their health benefits, taste, and why they are frequently used in Indian curries. 1. Global popularity. Tomatoes are one of the most widely consumed and cultivated vegetables globally, even though they are botanically a fruit. They have their origins in South and Central America, particularly in the region that is now Mexico, and were introduced to Europe in the 16th century. 2. Famous tomato growing regions. While tomatoes are grown in many parts of the world, there are several regions renowned for the quality of their tomatoes. San Marzano, Italy. San Marzano tomatoes are celebrated for their sweet and less acidic flavor. They are often used in Italian cuisine, especially for making pasta sauces like marinara and Neapolitan pizza. California, USA. California is a major producer of tomatoes in the United States. Known for its canned tomatoes and tomato-based products. Spain. Spain is known for its tomate de colga, or hanging tomato, a variety of tomato that is air-dried and used in Spanish cuisine, particularly in stews and sauces. 3. Health benefits. Tomatoes offer various health benefits due to their rich nutritional profile. They are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and folate. Tomatoes contain antioxidants, such as lycopene, which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. They are low in calories and high in dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and aiding in weight management. 5. Use of tomatoes in Indian cuisine. Tomatoes are an integral part of Indian cuisine and are used in various ways. They add a tangy and slightly sweet flavor to curries, balancing the spices and other ingredients. Tomatoes are often used as a base for gravies and sauces, helping to create a rich and flavorful curry. They act as a natural thickening agent in many Indian dishes. Their bright red color enhances the visual appeal of the food. 6. Cultural significance in Indian cuisine. Tomatoes have become a staple ingredient in Indian cooking, partly due to their adaptability and ability to enhance the taste of a wide variety of dishes. Their use in curries, chutneys, and rice dishes is deeply rooted in the culinary traditions of India, dating back to colonial times when tomatoes were introduced to the subcontinent. In conclusion, tomatoes are celebrated globally for their culinary versatility, health benefits, and unique flavor. In Indian cuisine, they are an essential ingredient in many curries and contribute to the balance of flavors by adding a tangy and savory dimension to dishes. Their use in Indian cooking has become deeply ingrained in the culture, and they are cherished for their role in enhancing the taste and visual appeal of Indian curries and other dishes. While tomatoes are used throughout India, their use and importance can vary by region. For instance, in North Indian cuisine, tomatoes are often a key component in gravies and sauces, such as the popular butter chicken. In South Indian cuisine, tomatoes are frequently used in tangy and spicy dishes like sambar and rasam. In Gujarati cuisine, tomatoes are used in dishes like sev tomato new shak, tomato and gram flour noodles. Tomatoes are now grown globally, with major producers including China, India, the United States, and various European countries. Italy is particularly famous for its tomatoes, which are used in making pasta sauces, pizzas, and various Mediterranean dishes. San Marzano tomatoes, grown in the volcanic soil of the Campania region in Italy, are renowned for their sweet and less acidic flavor, making them ideal for sauces. Please like and subscribe for more food facts.